Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a house in Sims 4. So first of all, once you have loaded the game, you want to go ahead at the options menu at the top and go to manage worlds. Then you can go save and go to manage worlds. Now you want to go ahead and choose some other world, for example. Now once you have chosen where you want to move, you want to click on manage households. Then you want to find your household and you want to click move household into a lot, for example, or transfer. And then you're going to choose a house. After that, click on that and click confirm. You can choose furnished, unfurnished, or bulldoze a lot. As you can see, it's cheaper on unfurnished. Then you're going to purchase a house and move it there. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.